In this video, I'll show you how to import payout reports from Shopify into Odoo using the TeqStars Shopify Connector. Let's get started. First, let me quickly explain what a payout report is. When customers pay for their orders, Shopify groups those payments, along with fees, refunds, and adjustments, into a payout that is deposited into your bank account. By importing the payout report into Odoo, the connector brings all these transactions in as a bank statement, so you can easily reconcile your Shopify payments with your bank and keep your accounting accurate. Before we start, let me show you the payout configuration. Close the pop-up and click your instance name. Your instance level configuration will open. Now open the Payout tab. First is the Payout Journal. This is the bank journal where the imported payouts will be recorded. Select the journal that matches your Shopify Payout bank account. Next is the Payout account configuration. Here you can map each transaction type, such as fees, refunds, and adjustments, to a specific account in Odoo. This ensures that every type of transaction in the payout is posted to the correct account. You'll also find the Auto Process Payout Report option. When this is enabled, the imported payout report is automatically processed into a bank statement without any manual step. When it is disabled, you process the payout manually. Now, let's import the payout report. Go to the overview screen and click Operations. When you click it, a pop-up will open. Make sure Import is selected and choose the operation type Import Payout Report. Here you'll see a From Payout Date and a To Payout Date. Enter the date range for which you want to import the payouts. By default, the connector uses the last sync date. Now click Process. Once the process is completed, the pop-up closes automatically, and the payout reports are imported into Odoo. To view the imported payouts, open the Shopify main menu. Go to the Finances section and click Payout Reports. Here you can see all the payouts that have been imported. Now open any payout to review it. Here you can see the payout lines. Each line shows the transaction type, the amount, the fee, the net amount, and the source order it came from. To process this payout, the connector creates a bank statement from these lines, based on the journal and the account configuration we set earlier. You can then reconcile the bank statement lines with the corresponding orders and fees, completing your accounting. Let me show you how the payout is auto-reconciled. To check this, go to the overview screen and open the order. Now open its invoice. Here you can see the invoice is not paid yet. Now go to the payout reports using the upper main menu. Here the payout view is open, and you can see a button called Auto Reconcile. When you click it, the order is automatically reconciled. Here you can see this has changed. Now go back to the order and open its invoice. Here you can see the invoice is now marked as paid, which means it was reconciled automatically. This is a manual step, but when you enable the Auto Process Payout Report option in the instance settings, the payment is reconciled automatically as soon as the payout is imported. You can configure this based on your business requirements. The connector also supports importing payout reports automatically. On the instance, open the Automatic Jobs tab, where you'll find the job for importing the payout report. Based on your requirements, you can set the time and activate it, so the payout reports are imported automatically on a schedule. That's how you can import payout reports from Shopify into Odoo using the TeqStars Shopify Connector. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.